men, and they come to court that the judges may judge them, and they justify the righteous and they condemn the wicked. 2, then it shall be, if the wicked man deserves to be beaten, that the judge will cause him to lie down and be beaten in his presence. Amen. Amen. I don't want to go further. Mweline la marana Jesu Kriste ra rapela mana ko hompieno mama itsiwengano umodimo siame modimo matla o tera ra kopa mana ko hompieno ra re kopa botlale le kiso go tswa gampieno go ya pele ra ke ba ba etele tipile ba rona modimo matla o tera o le rato Jesu Kriste ba re etele pele ra Jesu Kriste
to come forward and introduce the top table.
Well, General Mukhare, you know what I get chairman, I'm sure the